Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me for today's video. So before we get into today's video, I just wanted to give a big thank you to the wonderful friends at Dog Friendly Co who very generously sent Freddie this amazing Christmas bundle pack. I bought a Dog Friendly Co harness for Freddie when he was just a puppy and he has been using it ever since. So we were absolutely over the moon to receive this adorable Dog Friendly Co Christmas bundle pack. I will leave links in the description of how you can order Dog Friendly Co products. Honestly, their harness is amazing. Just double check the sizing. When we first bought one for Freddie, I ordered the small by mistake and it was too big, so I had to reorder in the extra small size. So make sure you double check their sizing chart. It is very comprehensive and you'll be able to check which size your puppy dog needs. Look at him looking so cute in his little bandana. Honestly, these harnesses are the absolute best. They're so simple to put on and off and they don't obstruct Freddie. They are so great quality and lasted for years and years. Highly recommend. I will leave links in the description on a discount code that is available for you guys. Let's get into today's video. We are going to be doing some organization projects. I have got 3 weeks holiday from my job, you guys. You cannot even imagine. This year has been hectic. There has been so much going on. I have barely had 5 minutes time for myself. Riley is off to high school next year. Jake is moving into the last year of his high school career. There's been a lot going on. So anyway, now that I have 3 weeks off, I'm going to put some of that time aside to making YouTube videos. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of the 12 Christmas holiday projects that I have planned for this break. I am going to put a few into a couple of videos, so I'm not making 12 videos or anything like that crazy. But today, starting off, we are doing a laundry hamper makeover. I am literally so sick of seeing a mess of laundry just piled into one hamper. Colors, dark clothes, white clothes, light clothes, everything just jammed into one. It's constantly overflowing. So I decided to pick up these 3 plastic bins from Kmart. They were $12 each, so super affordable. And then just making a little space in the bottom of the bathroom closet, which is where the laundry is. So it is super handy, super convenient. And just telling the kids, if the laundry is not in these 3 hampers sorted, if it is not in the right way, ready to go in the wash, you guys are going to get one of these bins each and you're going to be responsible for doing your own laundry. So it is the last straw, it's the last ultimatum. I am sick of turning kids' laundry in the right way before it goes in the wash. So that is how it's going to be, and if it doesn't work out, we are going to switch this from the whites, colors and darks to Mum, Jake and Riley, and everyone is going to fend for themselves. That is how it's going to be. Oh, and I also got out the Cricut machine and I made some labels, so there is literally no excuse to get it in the wrong hamper. Next on the holiday to-do list was to make a little coffee station. I didn't really film any before shots. I'm having some camera issues as well on top of everything that's going on. So I'm filming everything on my iPhone. Sorry if the quality is a little bit lackluster, but it is the best I can do at the moment because my Sony camera has, I think, died. Anyway, wanting to make a little coffee station. So lately throughout this year I have been using pour over coffee, which I've been loving. So this is what I use in the pour over coffee, but I've been kind of missing my Nescafe, like the stronger, more like an espresso coffee. So I have gone to Aldi, picked up some pods, and I am reinstating my old Nespresso machine just to be able to have Nespressos when I feel like a stronger coffee and when I don't really feel like getting the whole pour over thing, doing that. That way I've kind of got the best of both worlds. Another little project was to sort out my little herb garden that I've been growing. It is going absolutely gangbusters and it's got a nice little ledge in the kitchen that gets lots of sunshine. So I thought that would be the perfect place to put a little kitchen herb garden, and it's going super well. So as you can see here, the herbs are kind of growing out of control. So I've trimmed down the mint and Riley and I are going to make some flavored ice cubes this afternoon. But here is a little look at how my kitchen makeover went. I think it looks amazing. How about you? Next up in the list of 12 Christmas holiday projects, I want to give these white storage drawers that are just off my dining room area a massive makeover. So when we packed up the house to be able to put the Christmas tree and Christmas decorations, kind of just literally stashed everything as quickly as I could into any available space. So that there are a couple of these drawers which are nicely organized and a couple that look like a hot feral mess. So the plan is to take over these two small drawers and convert them to all of Freddie's storage area, because he had one drawer that was nicely organized with some of his things, but the rest of his things were kind of spread out in multiple different places. And I'm really trying at the moment to streamline the storage in our house, so not have any duplicates, not have any multiple places to store things. We have a really small home, so there's really no need to have multiple places to store the same things. So that is on the agenda as part of these 12 Christmas holiday projects. And if you hang around till the end of the video, I will share like this little printed list that I made sharing all of the 12 Christmas holiday projects that I plan to get done over these Christmas holidays. Nice little place for everything for Freddie. Refill doggy bags. Freddie's little Christmas stash. Don't tell him. Santa's little stash. And his hard toys. He's got access to his soft toys, but these are his hard toys and his treat feeding toys. This one needs to go through the wash, but you just fill it with treats. 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 And this one you fill it with treats, and it boom, boom. And for his second drawer, there's his winter coats, his raincoats, his toothbrush and toothpaste, and his worming treatment, his grooming supplies, so his clippers, his nail clippers, his other nail clippers, brushes, scissors, etc. And then he's got his blankets and his little coats. So now Freddie has two drawers, but it's all contained in the one area. Okay, so since I took out the doggy bags and put them in Freddie's section, I had some spare room. This was already looking pretty good, but I did a few little tweaks. I'm going to save the rest of these drawers because they are quite a project for the next video, but we've got some candles, candle lighters, some spare tissues, gift tags. These little drawers, these little organizers from IKEA are great because they've got the lids on. You can keep things underneath, but you can also use the small lid that is the half size on top of a bigger container to make like a little 2-level storage organization situation, which is great. So that is how the top drawer is looking nice and organized, but like I said, the rest are going to wait for another part of this video. The next of the home organization holiday projects I have is to make a little kitchen command station. I picked up this little organizer from Kmart and I'm just fixing it to the wall with my ever faithful 3M command strips, the little skinny Velcro ones. I did actually end up putting 4 on, top, bottom and both sides. I would have loved to have put it here, but it would have been covering the light switch, as you can see, so I have to put it a little bit higher, so it makes it kind of a little bit awkward, but we are just doing the best with the space that we have. And now that the little kitchen command center is up, I am going to rehang the kitchen clock. It was hung up already, but it was just on a really old 3M hook that was here previously, and it had all turned yellow and kind of dingy. So guys, that about wraps it up for today's video. I wanted to keep them short and sweet and not bore you to tears with too many things that we are getting done over the holidays. And also, I do want to actually have a holiday, not just spend it organizing, cleaning, and doing all that fun stuff. So today, what did we tick off? We did the laundry hamper, we did a coffee station, we did a kitchen command center, we sorted out Freddie's toys, and we did one of the white drawers. Oh, there's also something else I wanted to share with you, this cute thing that I did with Riley's little diary that we picked up from Kmart. Let me just go grab it. So this is just a $2 notebook from Kmart that Riley wanted to start a journal, so good on him. And I just, while I was cricketing, while I was using the Cricut to make the laundry hamper things, I just made some initials for Riley, just to kind of monogram his little journal. So it just makes a little nice touch to something that's literally $2 from Kmart. It just pops it into this nice little monogrammed touch. So super cute, and I just thought it was nice to share, because if you do have a Cricut, this is a great way to make some little personalized Christmas gifts for people. If you're looking for really affordable, just pick up like a little low-cost notebook like this and put that little personalized touch, and it looks super cute. And just to wrap up today's video, here is a quick look at the Christmas project list of some of the things that I am going to be getting done with the help of my kids over this Christmas break. So keep an eye out for those videos. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you aren't already, hang out and watch a few more videos. I'll leave some that I think you'll enjoy linked in the description. Have a fabulous day, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone. Now here in Australia, it is heating up incredibly. I'm trying really hard to teach Freddie how to use this cooling mat that I bought from him from Amazon. Not having much luck. So if you have any tips or tricks on how to get your puppy to get used to the feeling of those cooling mats, because it doesn't seem to work through to like a regular mat that he sits on. It's only if it's directly sitting on that cooling mat, but he doesn't like the feel of it. And the temperatures are just insane at the moment. Like, I'm literally sitting here recording this video, dripping in sweat. Yes, I know it is Christmas, and many people who are watching this are in the middle of winter, but in Australia, it's summertime, and it is hot where we live. It's around 34-35 degrees each day this week, so we are sweltering through a heat wave. So please, if you have any tips, please let me know how you can get Freddie to use his cooling mat.